threading the machine. Turn the power switch off for safety. Raise the take-up lever to its highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Raise the presser foot. Hold the thread with both hands and pass the thread around the thread guide. While holding the thread at the spool, pull the thread down along the right channel. Pull the thread up around the thread guide plate and along the left channel. Firmly draw the thread from right to left over the thread take-up lever and down into the take-up lever eye. Then draw the thread down and slip it into needle bar thread guide on the left. Lower the presser foot. Pull down the needle threader knob as far as it will go. Turn the knob away from you so the hook comes out through the needle eye from behind. Paying close attention to the needle point, draw the thread around the guide and under the hook. Turn the knob towards you to pull the thread through the needle eye. Release the knob slowly while holding the thread end with your hand. A loop of the thread is pulled out through the needle eye.